Today I'm bringing you a checklist I've created for international travel. Yes, I know I've been a little MIA, but I'm back and I hope this info is super useful. Sometimes we think things are obvious, but it's better to have a handy list before heading abroad.
Hello, Duck Adventures! Welcome to EveTripsBBB, where we explore the world together with our beloved Pato, the Adventure Duck. Find the full itinerary for free on Google Maps in the description. Subscribe and join us on this exciting duck adventure.
The checklist is also in the video description. So without further ado, let's dive in. First things first, check if you need a visa for your destination. It's the first thing you should take care of. Check how long it takes and whether the timing fits your travel plans. If you have layovers in other countries, verify whether you need a visa for those too. Not all countries allow layovers without a visa. This is super important. If you're staying with friends or family, ask them for an invitation letter. Many countries prefer that you have one when going through immigration. Always carry your itinerary. On your phone is fine and the names of your accommodations. It's helpful for you and may be required at immigration. Bring cash for the country where you'll have a layover or exchange it at the airport. It's easy to forget when you're used to paying with cards. Trust me, I've been there, it wasn't fun. If you haven't seen my full Spain experience, check out that video. When you arrive, you're often in a rush to explore and might forget to exchange currency. I recommend exchanging money before you arrive, but you can also do it at the airport. When paying with a credit card abroad, you'll often be asked if you want to pay in your home currency or the local one. Always choose the home currency. It helps you avoid extra fees. If there's a specific place you want to visit, check if you need to book in advance. Also, buy a data plan so you can stay connected and use important apps. If you're renting a car, book it online before you arrive. Check if your credit card covers rental car insurance. You could save money. Also, verify if you need an international driver's license. If you live in the US, the process is quick. Just go to AAA and it takes about 20 minutes. It's always a good idea to buy travel medical insurance. You never know what might happen. And if you want to know what happened to me in Spain, check out those videos. I've got itineraries for many cities. I'm sure they'll be helpful. The list keeps growing, right? Don't forget to check what kind of charger you'll need. Countries use different plugs. I'll share a link I personally use, not sponsored. It covers multiple countries, so I don't have to worry about adapters. Double check your departure date. If your flight is at 2 a.m. on December 24, you need to be at the airport the night of December 23. It's easy to get confused and prep for the wrong day. This is based on real-life stories. On travel day, don't forget your passport and bring the credit card you used to book your rental car. Most places require the physical card. If you don't have it, you'll need to use another card, which might not include insurance. Also, bring your passport when picking up the car. An international license alone isn't enough. I've seen this happen to others and it happened to me too. For the full story, check out my Spain video. It was more chaotic than expected. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. I hope it's helpful.
This duck adventure comes to an end. But don't worry, more incredible destinations await us soon. Remember, the itinerary is in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and share so more duck adventures can enjoy these journeys. Until next time, bye!